Okay, so let's look at this question. This was number 19 on AMC8. So we have Mr. Ramos gave a test to his class of 20 students, and this is the given information of the test scores. And later he discovered that there was a scoring error in one of those questions, okay? So which is why he regraded those tests and giving the extra 5 points, but not all students. It says some of those students will receive 5 extra points, which increase the median test score to 85. So what would be the minimum number of students who receive the extra points? Okay. Okay, so that's slightly challenging. So the median test score is the same as the average of two scores in the middle. If there are even number of scores, even number of data basically, because there is not right in the middle. So we start with 65, so we have two of them, right? So maybe we should list them. You don't really need it if you know what you are doing, but I'm gonna just do it for the sake of visualization. So we have two 70s, so you have two 70s, and then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 75. So 75, 75, 75, and 75. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 80s. So 80, 80, and 80, and one more. And then you got 285. Okay, and then 390s. So let me increase right here. And then 95 and 100. So we are told there are 20 test scores, and then some of them will receive extra 5 points. What we want is what will be the large minimum number of students who are going to receive that. Okay. So since we have 20, like if you take a look at the middle two numbers, because the median will be 85. So you can just subtract 2 from 20, which is 18. So the first 9 and the last 9 will not be our median. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can just ignore these guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if you ignore these, so the median is the average of these two numbers, right? But we are told this has to be 85. But how this is gonna be? Because we don't really have 85, so only way that will happen, okay? So the scores right here should be 85. So, but this is 80, so which means this student who received 80 on the first grading should have 85, which is extra 5 points will be given. And then this 80 should be 85 as well. And then this has to be 85 as well. Um, and then this, if these are the three numbers, right? 85, this is 80, but that doesn't work because if these are 85, these should be larger than this because median is how you write the numbers from smaller to larger. So this should be 85. And then this is gonna be 85 as well. So it looks like we give the 5 points to the students, the students, the students, the students, and the students. But that is just four of them, right? Let me double check. Actually, five of them. But there is a mistake. I actually intentionally did it. So for you to explore before I tell you, there is like five numbers that needs to be given extra 5 points, which I clear. But I think that is not the case because, we want to get the middle two numbers average to be 85. So only way that will happen, these two is going to be 85. But these two should be 85 as well. Otherwise, these like these two cannot be smaller than these two, which is why these two 80 should be 85 as well at least. But this 80 doesn't have to be 85. Okay, so which is why we don't have to give the 5 extra points to the students who receive 80 in the first grading. So only these four students who receive 80s should receive extra 5 points, which is why the minimum number of students who are going to get extra 5 points is actually 4. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. I'll see you in the next video.